like that. And the thing is heavy as fuck, might I add. So, yeah. And the terminals are about the size of my finger, but it's a pretty small battery, so what do you expect? Where is that? I'm trying to read it off the computer. Max amps 1000, that doesn't matter. Cranking amps 320, reserve capacity 28 minutes, amp hours 20. So this one, compared to the D975, it's like it's pretty much half the size, but I couldn't afford the other one, like I said, so this will be the helper in the back of my trunk. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna check the voltage. So hopefully it's pretty good because I don't have a charger. Fuck, man. Okay, ready, kids? 12.8. Cool. Alright. So, there you go. And one other thing, comes with these. They're like little terminal posts. Just so if any of you were wondering if you have to buy the extra terminals, you don't. So you can connect ring terminals to this. Yeah. It's not mounted or anything, but I'm going to put my battery right there. My ground is right here under this flap. See that bolt right there? Ding! That's what I'm going to be grounding it to. My subwoofer amp is grounded there, right here. That goes up to my sub amp. Right there. So that's the mess of my back seat. Looks so bad, but oh well. So plan is, this is my positive side, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna take this 2 gauge that runs to the capacitor, plug it in here, and then run this new 0 gauge I got from the local car audio shop to the capacitor. So it'll be 2 gauge from the batteries connecting, and then 0 gauge from this battery to the capacitor. And then I'm gonna just be grounding it right there, so it's just like literally the ground is boom 6 inches away. So yeah. Alright, just a forewarning, it's not the prettiest. There's a lot of wires, but here it is. Whoop. Alright, so here we got, this is going to my front battery. It goes woo and then goes in there. This going up to the capacitor. This is my ground. Sadly it's red, but you know, whatever. And so I'm gonna clean this up in a little bit, like zip tie all this shit together, make it look a little better. But now I'm gonna start the car and play some music. Okay, so I'm gonna do one song demo, or like a little bit. This song fucking hits really hard. Dad's Sick Gecko VIP remix. I played this the other day, and my voice coils were fucking smelling so bad. So I'm not gonna play this like too long, but I'll just show it to you for a little bit. Hold on, let me get to a good part. Alright. as you can see, that song fucking pushes my subwoofers like crazy. Way over their RMS power. So yeah, and as you can see, my voltage didn't go under 14. So excessive amperage and excess power. Hell yeah.